Last night, the chef who does the stir-frying at our restaurant had a few words with the boss, and today he just didn't show up. Our boss had no choice but to go to the job market and find a substitute cook born in the 90s for 450 yuan a day. By the time he got to our restaurant, one table of customers was already waiting, and they had ordered shredded pork with green peppers. The young guy took the green peppers the boss had bought that morning, removed the seeds, cut them open down the middle, and then sliced them diagonally into thin strips. Our boss stood right there watching this 450 yuan a day chef make the dish, wanting to see if his skills were really worth it. He casually asked, "Chef, why are you cutting the peppers without washing them first?" The chef said, "I thought the vegetables in your restaurant were already washed and stored in the fridge, so I didn't wash them." He put the sliced peppers into a prep tray, grabbed 2 handfuls of shredded pork into a bowl, and started seasoning it. A little salt, a little MSG, a little chicken powder, a little sugar, then some pepper and scallion ginger water to remove the odor and add fragrance. After that, he added a little dark soy sauce for color and mixed it all evenly by hand. Once the pork turned sticky to the touch, it was time to add a little starch slurry. Then he kept mixing until the starch fully coated the shredded pork and sealed it with a layer of salad oil to keep the coating from falling off. Once everything was prepped, he started cooking. First he heated the wok, then coated it with oil and poured the oil back out, so the food wouldn't stick as easily. Next, he poured half a ladle of oil into the wok, added the marinated shredded pork, and quickly loosened it so it would cook through evenly. Sure enough, his method was different from what we do at our restaurant. Our cooks usually pass the pork through oil first, but he made the whole dish in one wok. He said shredded pork with green peppers comes out more fragrant that way. Once the pork was fully cooked, he added minced ginger and garlic and some dried chilies. Then he put in a little sweet bean sauce and quickly stir-fried it evenly to bring out the sauce's aroma. After that, he added the green pepper strips and tossed everything quickly over high heat, so the pepper's aroma and the pork would fully blend together. At that point, it was time to season the dish. He added salt, MSG, chicken powder, and sugar, then turned the heat up high again and stirred everything quickly. Right then, he added a little water to the wok, saying that seasonings left at the bottom could burn, and a bit of water helps dissolve them better. He really did have strong wok hay. Right before taking it off the heat, he drizzled in a little vinegar and sesame oil around the edge of the wok, added a bit of finishing oil, gave it a quick toss, and then plated it up. The dish made by this 450 yuan a day substitute chef really did look appetizing. Just like that, he finished a plate of shredded pork with green peppers. But after it was served, even though the customers really liked it and felt that 18 yuan for such a big plate, with so much pork in it, was a great deal, our boss saw how much shredded pork he had used and how huge the portion was, and instantly got mad. He told the 450 yuan a day substitute chef to leave on the spot. So what do you all think? Why did the boss make him leave? The customers didn't complain at all, so why did he still tell him to go? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments.